In today's world, good credit is more than just a number. It's a passport to financial freedom. Good credit opens doors to better loan rates, lower insurance premiums, and even greater job opportunities. A strong credit score gives you buying power and peace of mind. It demonstrates financial responsibility and trustworthiness to lenders and businesses alike. However, many people struggle with less than perfect credit scores. Past financial mistakes, unforeseen circumstances, or even simple errors on credit reports can negatively impact your score. This can make it feel like you're stuck in a financial rut, unable to achieve your dreams. But the good news is, you don't have to be defined by your credit score. You have the power to improve it and take control of your financial well-being.